Good morning. Welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. Today is Tuesday, August 5th, 2025. I want to welcome my subscribers, both new and returning. Appreciate you all stopping by, watching my videos, and most importantly, leaving comments. So today's video is going to be a quick one. I don't have a lot of content because I've kind of been out of crochet mode, I should say. Not to say I haven't crocheted, but I haven't crocheted as much as I generally do. I actually got out and touched some grass this weekend and, you know, did some other life things. Even Nellie's she's feeling neglected. She said, listen, Ellen, I had this on, you haven't changed my dress since the last video. What's going on here? So, what have I done? If you recall my last, maybe video before last, I had mentioned that I found the virus shawl in a tote. And I was originally going to finish that virus shawl. I actually even bought some yarn to do it. But I had done that like 2 years ago, so my tension was a little off. And I decided just to leave it as a shawlette. But I was looking, as most of us do, looking at my collection, and I saw this yarn that I've had in my collection for quite a while, and it's actually clearance yarn from Hobby Lobby. It's the Yarn Bee Fresh Haven. The color is mustard. So pretty, and as I said, this has been in my collection for a few years now. It's 100% lyocell. It's 180 yards per skein, and it's a number 4 weight. And it says you can machine wash and dry. I probably wouldn't. But the color spoke to me, and it said, you would make a beautiful virus shawl. And that's what I did. I made a beautiful virus shawl. Okay, the camera, that's pretty much the color right there. Beautiful virus shawl. This is a gift for someone who will love the color. Okay, it's mustard. It's really a goldish mustard. Yeah, that's the color right there. So pretty. So this pattern is a tutorial that I found on Craig Fiber Spider's channel. However, in true fashion, Ellen did it up a little bit different, and I put a picot edge on the bottom of each fan to dress it up somewhat. Okay, but so pretty. Okay, my camera washes it out every once in a while, but it is a beautiful yarn, and the color is perfect for the virus shawl. And in true fashion, yeah, that's pretty much the color right there. Really pretty. I just love the way it came out, and I'm fairly sure the person I'm going to be gifting it to will love it. This is discontinued yarn. Okay, I used almost 3 skeins. This is what was left of the 3rd. So if I had another skein, I could make another, but I only have 2 left. So I'm gonna actually search around to see if I can find another somewhere, perhaps on eBay or Mercari or somewhere. Maybe find something compatible, because it's really beautiful yarn. I loved working with it. It's, as with anything, all the good ones get discontinued. So that's pretty much what I've done the past few days, and this works up in no time. The virus shawl, the virus pattern, once you get into the rhythm, it just goes really quickly. It's so simple. It looks very delicate and intricate, but if you know how to chain and double crochet, you can do this and make it's beautiful. I'm gonna make some more. I'm gonna make some more virus shawls. I think the next one I'm gonna try, Crystal Bag O'Day did one with some front post stitches. I think she calls it her post virus shawl. I'm gonna look at that one next. So yeah, that's pretty much all I worked on all weekend. And as I said, that works up so quick, so I really say I really didn't do much. Other than that, I did go to Michael's because I got an email with a $15 reward. They get you. They send you those rewards, and they're like, oh, you have to use it. You know, it's gonna expire. We can't let that happen. So, what did Ellen do with her $15 reward, other than buy more yarn? But this is what I got. Okay, so this is Karen Cotton Ripple Cakes. Okay, and I do have some that I got in a mystery box, but these were on clearance for $6.99. All right, so I got 4 of them, and I used my $15 gift card. Because, you know, I only buy yarn if it's on a discount or on a good sale. And then when I got it home, I looked at it because I had never worked with it before, and I see it's very nubbly. It's a nubbly yarn. It's 100% cotton. It's a number 3 weight, and there's 240 grams or 491 491 yards in a cake. This color is French vanilla, very beachy to me. It's really pretty. I like the color, but I've never worked with it. So, you know, and I was thinking, what am I gonna do with it? What am I gonna make? I can make a bag with it. You know, it's 100% cotton. And then I saw, because you know I'm in shawl mode, there is a pattern for a shawl on the ball band. And I will tell you, in all the years that I have been crocheting, I've never done a pattern from a ball band. So this may be the first. I'll let you know. But according to the ball band, it takes 2 balls to make that pretty shawl. And I'm gonna try it. Of course, I don't know if I'll be able to read it. I may have to get a microscope. You know, because I'm sure the print is very small. But yeah, so tell me, have you ever worked with this yarn? And what did you make with it? The Karen Ripple Cakes. From what I understand, they are going to be discontinuing it and clearing it out. So I may come to love the yarn. Because usually when they clearance out a yarn, it's something that I like. So that's it, friends. That's my quick video, just to touch base and say hello. Hope you all have a wonderful week. And yeah, let me know. Have you ever used the Cotton Ripple Cakes? They're on clearance at Michael's for $6.99. And that's all I have for you today. All right, I will see you on the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye now.